guys, this is George's Passion. So for today's content is about unboxing this Corelle. So I have here a Corelle Livingware since 1970. Kita ko sa inyo. Yes. And yes, it's very awesome, guys. I bought this for 4,700. It's also an expensive glass, but it's really quality materials. So bubuksan po natin siya.
Corelle Livingware since 1970. Vitrelle Extra Strength Glass. Developed by researchers in Corning, New York in 1970. Vitrelle is a remarkable three-layer thermally laminated glass that provides exceptional durability while never compromising on style.
So, i-ara siya na. Ikuha ko lang. Pila ka bilog? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plates is a Corelle. Ang ganda na, guys. Tapos, meron pa dito. Ito. May bowl sa 4. Siya. Ano na lang yung nabili. Ay ka na, honey. May manual. So, mo na yung unod yung subong ka na sa atong nga Corelle. Yes. So, may harap sa guys. So, yan. So, may 4 ka plate ng kamay na may butangan sa panimalan, and then may arat na nga bowl nga 4, and then of course may arat na nga 4 man kaping kanya dako. Okay, so this is it, the Corelle. Yeah, I love this. So, ito na ngayon, guys, no? So, gagamitin ko ito sa kitchen ko, guys, no? Yes, gagamitin ko ito sa kitchen. At sa, of course, dahil nagko-cooking rin ako, no? Kaya, I'm so happy that I bought this Corelle glass. It's really amazing. So, meron akong Corelle glass. So, this is George's Passion. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you're not yet subscribed, so that you'll be notified for more videos. Mama. Thanks, guys.